Hello everyone. If you're still using Windows 10 or an earlier version of Windows 11 like 22H2 or 23H2 and want to upgrade to the latest version 24H2, but aren't receiving the update or you are using unsupported hardware, this video is for you. I'll show you the easiest way to upgrade to Windows 11 version 24H2 without needing a bootable USB and with no data loss. So make sure to watch till the end. To check if your computer is compatible with Windows 11, simply click on the Windows search icon, type PC Health Check, and press Enter. When I click on Check Now, it says this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. These are the requirements. This PC must support Secure Boot. TPM 2.0 must be supported and enabled on this PC, and the processor isn't currently supported for Windows 11. I will show you how to bypass all the requirements and upgrade to Windows 11 without losing any data. Head over to your Windows settings and click on Update and Security section. Make sure Get the latest updates as soon as their available toggle is turned on and click on Check for updates. Open up your browser and search for Download Windows 11 and press Enter. Click on the first website that you will see. Check if it is the current version of Windows 11 and scroll down to download it. Click on Select Download and select Windows 11 ISO. Click on Download Now. Select the product language carefully. You need to choose the same language as your current Windows 11 version. If you're unsure, you can easily check by going to your settings. Navigate to the Time and Language section. Click on Language to see your Windows language. You can clearly see my Windows display language is English United States. If you're still uncertain, open Command Prompt as an administrator and type this command. dism /online/ get-intl. You can see clearly that the default system UI language is English United States. Go back and select your language from the drop-down menu. I'll choose the same language, then click Confirm. Click on 64-bit download. The download will begin, and it's about 5.41 gigabytes, so it may take some time. Make sure you're not on a limited data plan, as it will use around 5.41 gigabytes. I've already downloaded it. There's no need to download it again. When your download is finished, right-click on the file and extract it onto the desktop. I'm using WinRAR. You can use 7-zip or you can mount it. You can use whatever you like. Open the folder where you extracted the ISO. Here, you'll find all the Windows 11 installation files. Click on the Setup file to start the installation. Click on Change how the setup download updates. I don't want to download updates, so I will click on Not Right Now and click on Next. If you are on unsupported PC, this is what you will see. This PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. Just close the setup page. Open the Windows search icon and type cmd then run it as an administrator. Open the folder where the Windows 11 24H2 was extracted and go to the Sources folder. Copy the path from the top of the window. In the command prompt, type cd and paste the path you copied and hit Enter. Type setupprep.exe /product server and hit Enter. This will fire up the Windows 11 setup file. It might display Install Windows Server, but don't worry, it's actually Windows 11. Click on Change how the setup download updates. Once again, I don't want to download updates, so I will select Not Right Now and click on Next. We have successfully bypassed the Windows 11 requirements page. Just click on Accept. Now, if you want to keep your files, settings, and apps, just click on the first option and click on Next. It says Ready to Install. Just click on Install to begin the installation. Let me quickly change the background to the default background. Our Windows 11 24H2 has been successfully installed. If you want to verify this, open your Windows icon and search for Settings. Then navigate to System and choose About. There, you'll find that your Windows 10 Pro has changed to Windows 11 Pro 24H2. Alternatively, you can use the Run command by typing winver in the Run command and hit Enter. Here you will see your Windows version and the build number. Thanks for watching. Let me know how this worked for you, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. I'll do my best to reply. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. For more content like this, hit the subscribe button to get notified when new videos are released.